Booties, there is someone in our lives who has us just confused. They have us feeling strange. And we're gonna process some emotions together today. So we're gonna start by looking for answers in the planets. Step and point at the planet. Step. Take it back with your dreamy arms. To the front, point. Dreamy arms. Take it to the front again. You look so ethereal. You're gorgeous. Arm out to the side. Cross and switch again. Last one. Shooting star now.
It's not like I'm still on
again.
It's so strange.
Big Dipper, go.
Not that I miss you, I don't.
Down.
Sometimes I just can't believe you happened. It's not like I change a thing, 'cause I'm right here where I'm meant to be. Not that I call
bigger.
I won't. Sometimes I just can't believe you happened.
That's how I feel about you. Dreamy arms to the side. To the front and point. Back. Point at the planet. Which planet are you pointing at? Which planet has personally wronged you? Pluto's done a number on me. Arm to the side.
You're not who you say you are, 'cause I might give her a call.
Last one.
Was I just not me at all?
Shooting star.
It's not like I'm still not over you. It's so strange. This I never
Dipper.
told. Not that I miss you, I don't. Sometimes I just can't believe you happened. It's not like I ever change a thing, 'cause I'm right here where I'm meant
Big
to
Dipper.
be. Not that I call you, I won't. Sometimes I just can't believe you happened.
Arm up.
It's not like it's so strange.
Big Dipper and you're done.
Not that I miss you, I don't. Sometimes I just can't believe you happen.